on, family? It's your girl. You know I got to tell you about what's been going down on Miracle Night, Monday night prayer. It's been crazy. Hannah, sons and daughters. My God, Intercessory prayer ministry, you guys. This prayer has changed my life. Prayer on Monday nights has changed my life. It's been a vital part of my God growth and my relationship with God. You guys, you got to come out. The CEO and founder is Prophetess Dr. Frances Cleveland. The Lord uses her. My God, she walks in a heavy prophetic and apostolic anointing. She is a true 5-star general, you guys. And the Lord uses her to walk in miracles, signs, and wonders. And so I want to challenge you. If you need a miracle, my God, come on Monday nights and let this woman of God touch you. And I guarantee you that thing will shift. My God, Pastor Charles Toussaint of God's Dwelling Place Church was with us on last Monday. It was powerful. It was so anointed. He's going to be with us again on next Monday. We have got to see your face in the place. Come get your miracle. We'll see you there. Let's recap.
My praise surely ain't predicated on you. Oh, bless him on tonight.